Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Rider Nara Motor Diaries, and today is day 5. Right now we are near Golden Temple. There is one entrance for Golden Temple from there. We came here yesterday night, and we visited the temple yesterday itself, and some local people, they are saying that the attack which happened here on 1984 was on June 6th, so this today completes 35 years. So they might have some prayers here, but we are leaving today. Plan is to reach Srinagar. Let's see how far we can do, and catch you in the ride. Welcome to the day 5. We started our ride after having breakfast from the hotel, and we were more happy that the temperature issues we faced for so many days will finally be over by evening. But nature had different idea for us. The ride was comparatively pleasant. We took a small halt for a sugarcane juice where we were about to exit Punjab, and in some time we came across the toll which read, "Welcome to Jammu and Kashmir state." Finally, we were closing in towards our target. But it was still hot in Jammu. Took a small halt for a shikanji drink, and by now most members lost the range in their mobiles. Already informed my parents that I won't be able to contact you for at least 10 days, so that they don't panic. It was time for lunch now, so we halted at a roadside dhaba where we could park our bikes under the shade. The food was good. After the lunch, we spent some time, and we were about to leave. It started to rain. That was the first rain of the ride. We spent some 30 minutes to cover all our luggage and wear raincoats and gumboots. While doing so, I asked my team, "We are spending so much time to protect ourselves from rain. What if after all our preparation is done and the rain stops?" Everyone gave me a stare and then started doing their work. And guess what? It actually happened. When we all were about to start the ride, the rain stopped. We continued our ride. Flat road were going to end and Ghat road were about to start. We were all excited. The route suddenly turned more scenic and the ride was turning smooth. After a few distance, I changed my gumboots to the shoes which I was wearing before, as those gumboots were not that comfortable as I am not used to it before. But later I completed my ride wearing the gumboot itself. After a while the roads were rough as a lot of construction work on the road were going on. So there was a lot of dust and mud in the air, and to make the situation more worse, there were a lot of trucks on the road. We had to make way from those trucks and move ahead. But that was fun too. There were tunnels on the way, but we skipped the tunnel as you might skip the scenery on the way. Now the temperature was going down. I mean very down. We were some 20 kilometers far from Patnitop and we could see many pomegranate trees on both sides of the roads. By 8 pm we reached Patnitop and it was too cold now, and to make things worse, there was a lot of wind. It was so much that they had to switch off the electricity in the whole of Patnitop, saying once the wind stops, they will turn on the electricity supply, or the wind could cause the trees to fall, which might come in contact with the live wires. After entering the place, we halted to look for a hotel where we met 4 riders from Telangana, so we all decided to stay together. Soon few agents saw us and they came running to us. One said, "Come with us in our car, we will show 2 hotels. If you like, you can stay there, or we will drop you at the same place where we picked up." So I and one guy from Telangana group sat in the car. He said it is hardly 1 kilometer from here. After some time I asked, "Hasn't your 1 kilometer over yet?" He said, "No sir, it is a little ahead," and took to some off-road. I told him, "Bro, we are riding since long. Don't you think we know how much 1 kilometer would be?" The distance was more than 3 kilometers. Finally we came to a place where we had to walk down some 100 steps to reach the room.
which has no hot water, and with all our luggage to cross that 100 step was a difficult thing, and we have to keep our bikes far from us. Then he took to other hotel, even that was not good, so he dropped us at the place where he picked us. Now we had some hot Maggie and tea. The temperature was so cold and we were like, these many days heat was killing us. Now enjoy this cold climate. Finally we got a good hotel nearby and checked in.